Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to earn Cash App money online. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening the official Cash App application. So if you do not already have the application, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up your app stores, open up the search bar and search for Cash App. So once you go ahead and find the Cash App application, you can get started installing it. Once you install it and open it up, we can now get started with logging in. So go ahead and log in by using your phone number or your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can take a look at our cash balance. As you can see, we have our savings and all the other options we can access. And now we can get started with taking a look at how to earn money online. Basically guys, there is not a lot of ways to do so. Basically they're very limited. Everything you are going to be able to find is right here directly in the application, so make sure to never get scammed, because the only ways to earn money with Cash App for real is if you're getting any events or bonuses within the application itself. Sometimes they have their cash boost going on that you can use for your cash card, and you have other events going on where you can maybe take a survey that they're going to reward and pay you for, and so on. But it's all going to be within the application, so keep that in mind, that you'll never be able to find any giveaways going on the internet. You will never need to give anybody your password and so on. Do not get scammed and do not fall for any scams, because there is a limited amount of ways to go ahead and make money, and they are really hard. So basically it's not doable. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.